Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving into Spanish Town, the former capital of Jamaica. If we turn right at that intersection, that takes us onto Sligoville Road, and we went straight and now we are on Burke Road. Now if we had turned right Sligoville Road, go on to Sligoville Road, we could go over the hill and end up outside the Bogwalk Gorge, just at the entrance of the Bogwalk Gorge in the Bogwalk area. So previously, whenever the gorge was closed, you would have to go over Sligoville before the highway was built. However, we have the highway now, so you have an alternative to going over Sligoville, because to go over Sligoville is a old road, narrow road. You're literally going over a hill, so persons would only use that route if they had to. There was no other choice. Alright, so on the left now is the Spanish Town Hospital, and it was announced recently that they're going to be doing some construction over there to build a new wing. Some major upgrades coming to the hospital, so we'll keep you guys updated as the project gets on the way. Alright, so we're on Burke Road now, and we're heading into the heart of Spanish Town. So on the right is the prison oval, and then on the left you're going to see a plaza. Okay, directly on the left where you see the fence, the concrete wall, that I don't know why they don't smooth it and paint it. Baffling, but that's a gated community. Now over here on the left is a mall. I'm trying to remember the name of this mall. One of the larger malls in Jamaica, but not as popular as the Sagicor Mall. I'll soon tell you the name. And then as we pass the mall on the left is the police station. St. Jago, no, that's not the name of the mall. Yeah, St. Jago Shopping Center. Okay, there is a sign. St. Jago Shopping Center. It's a very large mall, very busy mall. On the left is the Spanish Town Police Station. And Spanish Town has one of the largest populations in Jamaica. Remember, this town was built hundreds of years ago. It was the main town in Jamaica, or the capital, for many years. So over time, the infrastructure around the town kept expanding. You have a lot of residential areas, communities around Spanish Town. And outside of Kingston, the two largest populations you're going to find are in Spanish Town and Portmore. So on the left, you take Whitechurch Street and head towards the Spanish Town bypass. Turn right, you take Whitechurch Street and head up to the French Street area. We're staying straight, or we're going straight, sorry, and heading into the town itself. And we should point out that outside of Kingston, you have Portmore and Spanish Town as the largest populations, and they're both located in St. Catherine, in the parish of St. Catherine. But Portmore is going to become a parish by itself soon, so the size of the population of St. Catherine will change drastically. Spanish Town is actually the capital of St. Catherine,